Hi, and welcome to Island Smile YouTube channel. For today's recipe, we will be making this Sri Lankan beef bistek. The recipe combines juicy tender beef with peppery, tangy flavors. You can serve this dish with warm rice, parathas, naan or bread. Here are the ingredients you will need. 750 grams of sliced beef. You can increase the amount to 1 kilogram and use the same ingredient quantities mentioned here. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, salt to season, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 4 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. To cook the beef, 4 cloves of garlic sliced fine, a sprig of curry leaves, 2-inch piece pandan leaf, 2-inch piece cinnamon. To assemble the beef bistek, you will need 1/4 cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 medium-sized onion chopped fine, 4 banana peppers cut into required size, 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds, 2 large onions cut into rings. Now, let's prepare and marinate the beef. Place the beef slices individually or as a whole on the chopping board and pound them using the blunt side of the cleaver to break down the muscle fibers. Once this is done, place them in a large bowl. Add minced garlic, season with salt, add turmeric, pepper powder, sugar, cumin powder, vinegar. Combine well. Cover and set aside for 30 minutes to marinate. After the beef marinates, add them to a cooking pan over low-medium heat. Pour in the marinade. Add the pandan leaf, cinnamon, curry leaves, sliced garlic, mix and continue to cook over medium heat until the beef releases its natural juices, which would take about 10 to 15 minutes. Cover and continue to cook until the gravy is reduced in half. Once the beef is done, transfer to a bowl and place the same skillet over low-medium heat. Pour oil into the pan, let it heat, and then add the minced ginger. Cook for 15 to 20 seconds until they release their aroma. Add the chopped onions. Let the onions cook until they turn soft. Add the banana peppers and green chilies. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes and let the peppers turn soft. Add the mustard. Combine well and let the mustard seeds cook until they blister. Immediately add the cooked beef. Combine well. Now, before the final steps of the beef bistek, check on the tenderness of the beef slices. If they are still not tender, pour half a cup of water, cover and continue to cook until the beef turns soft. This extra step would also give you some extra gravy on the beef bistek. Once this is done, taste and adjust the flavors to your liking. Combine well for a few minutes. Add the onion rings and let the remaining heat soften the onions and serve warm. And this is your Sri Lankan beef bistek. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time with another recipe you can try.